Chandramohan Mallampalli Chandrasekhar Rao, his born name, who born on 23rd May 1946 and died on 11th November 2023, was a famous Indian actor known for his works predominantly in Telugu films. Mallampalli Chandrasekhar Rao, born in Pamidi Mukkala, Madras Province, British India. It is in Krishna district of present Andhra Pradesh. He was educated at YVR MZP's High School at Meduru. He graduated from the Agricultural College of Bapatla. He was the cousin of veteran filmmaker Kala Tapasvi K. Viswanath. On 80th birthday anniversary